Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to erase users on your PlayStation 4. This process is straightforward, ensuring your console stays tidy and personalized. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 is turned on and you are logged into the main administrative account. This provides the necessary permissions to manage other user profiles effectively. We will go step by step, making it easy for anyone to follow along smoothly. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top of your PlayStation 4's home screen. Using your controller, scroll right until you reach the settings icon, which looks like a small toolbox. Press the X button to select it, opening up a new menu of options. This is your central hub for all console adjustments and configurations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this important area before proceeding. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Login Settings option. Select this, and then look for User Management from the subsequent list. Press X again to enter this specific section. Here, you will see various choices related to user profiles, including creating new ones or deleting existing ones. This is the crucial step for managing your PlayStation 4's user accounts. Now that you are in User Management, select Delete User from the available options. A list of all user profiles on your PlayStation 4 will appear on screen. Carefully choose the specific user you wish to remove, pressing X to select their profile. Remember, deleting a user will permanently erase all their saved data, screenshots, and game progress from the console. Be absolutely certain of your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.